Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll answer the question, how much does it cost to develop a SaaS? Now I have a couple of things that I can cover in this video, and the first thing is that you don't have to actually go and develop a SaaS if you don't want. Now this is one example of it. This is a website that you can resell SaaS with this website. Now as you can see, they basically have a whole team behind it, and what you can do is, as you can see, if we go to products, you can resell their own software. So you don't have to actually purchase the software, and you can do this for absolutely free. All you have to do is just purchase the domain. So this is basically one way of doing it, right? The second way of doing it, and this is usually how much the SaaS development will cost you. You have front end, you have back end, and then you have testing. So front end will cost you around, I would say $10,000, not really $14,000, but around $5,000 to $10,000. The back end would cost you around $10,000 to $20,000, and then testing can cost you up to 1K to 5K, I would say. So that's like ballpark numbers. Obviously, it depends what kind of SaaS you're doing. Now, I would also tell you that you can actually build SaaS for $10,000 or less. I know this guy right here from Twitter. He's really popular in the SaaS industry, and he's actually helping other people build SaaSes for $10,000 or more. Now I'm not sure if he's doing this, because he has a development agency. I'm not sure if he's doing this anymore. But this is how low you can get your SaaS done for. So you can get your SaaS done for $10,000 if you are hiring a professional agency with all the tools, and then it will cost you like, I would say $50,000 or even less. But usually that's a ballpark number on how much does it cost to develop a SaaS. It could be $10,000, it could be $50,000. It depends what you're trying to do. But again, if you're just trying to start SaaS, you don't have any money, I would really highly recommend this white label service, where you can actually go and resell their own services right here. So, and you can see average profit as well. And you can get started with this for free. As you can see, if we go to pricing, we can see that this you can get started for free. And as you can see here, it's free if you have already a one domain. Connect or redirect your domain to our platform for each software you have to launch. And obviously 40% goes to them, 60% goes to you, and that's pretty much it, right? So this is basically how much does it cost to develop a SaaS. It depends, but I would say around $10,000 to $50,000 if I wanted to right now give you the number. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.